Alright, I have not made a video in a very long time. I think it's been like 10 months. So, today I am showing you probably my biggest creation, the Halo, the Authentic Collectors series, Megabloks. I put it as Megabloks so it wouldn't make you guys mad, but I don't really see what the big deal is if it's Megabloks or Lego. So yes, this is probably my biggest creation. 10 years. Comes with 4 Marines, 1 Recon Spartan, a different Marine, a Black Mongoose, and the Elephant. You're gonna see Elephant, set 96942, for ages 8 and up, and 1,282 pieces. I will show you the back side. Sorry about this lighting. So, yep, that's that. These are some other ones. I have the Prowler. I will be doing that next. I really want the Banshee. I have the Ambush. I will be doing that also. And I really want the Phantom. The EVA's Last Stand. I would like to have that because it comes with 2 different hunters. In the Wolverine set, it was a purple hunter and a falcon. So here's this. It does come with 1 black Marine. That's basically the only way I can put it. Sorry. So there's the Recon and the UNSC. And this is the packet. Very big. I think it has like 37 pages. So yeah, that's that. So let's get to the Elephant. Again, sorry about the lighting. Okay. First, let's start off with the Mongoose, because that's the first thing you make in the packet. Just don't mind the Marine. It's black, no detail, no stickers. And I don't think it has this part on the other Mongoose. So yeah. So yeah, here is the Elephant. Hang on, let me see if I can get better lighting. Hang on a sec. Okay. I think that's better. So, yeah, it comes with, I think this is actually pretty cool, how they came up with the idea of this fusion coil. And it also comes with 2 crates. I put one of the assault rifles in there. This thing actually works. Slides back, and the string comes down. And there's another Marine. Here is the Recon Spartan, and you can, you should probably know what this is. Yes, it's a flamethrower. Here is another Marine. This turret can turn 360. This one can't. And this is the black Spartan, or Marine, sorry. Oh, and I also put the different Marine in the cockpit. Yeah, and the cockpit opens up, so just to make it easier. And here's the ramp to the upstairs floor. And there's this part. It flips down, can't flip up. So it's basically for the Mongoose to get out easier and to get back up. So, yep. And to put this in, you have to pay attention to the book, because at first I didn't see you had to put this little red piece. Otherwise it'd come out easy. Oh, and let's get to the side. You guys probably can't see that, but there is here. Hang on a sec. Okay, that's better. A little, not really. Oh well. There. I'll just get them out. Well, no. Okay, it comes with, there's an axe on the side, a pickaxe, shovel. Sorry you guys can't see this. And then on the other side is basically the same thing. And this upper cab usually wants to fall off, but it's fine with me right now. Here's the front. Yeah, I'm really sorry about the lighting. And that is the inside. It's very cool. Yes, it's my biggest creation. So, yep, that is the Halo Megabloks UNSC elephant. Hope you guys enjoyed. And this elephant is pricey. It's $100. I was lucky I got it for Christmas. Have a happy new year. And X0 Spartan X out. Oh yeah. I will be doing my next review on the Halo Megabloks Prowler. So yeah. Have a happy new year and see you guys next time.